Enter the world of the enchanting African violets, where delicate blooms and lush foliage captivate indoor garden enthusiasts. Renowned for their charming appearance and adaptability, African violets have earned a special place in the hearts of plant lovers. Let's uncover the fascinating details that make these plants cherished additions to any home. African violets hail from the cloud forests of Tanzania, where they thrive in the dappled sunlight beneath the canopy. In their natural habitat, they grow in the cool, moist conditions found on the forest floor, which influences their preferences for similar settings in indoor cultivation. Known for their compact size and symmetrical rosette growth pattern, African violets boast velvety leaves that come in various shades of green. The real showstoppers, however, are the clusters of delicate five-petal flowers that bloom in a wide array of colors, including shades of purple, pink, blue, and white. Creating a conducive environment is essential for the flourishing of African violets. Provide bright, indirect light to mimic their forest habitat. Keep them consistently moist, but avoid water on the leaves to prevent fungal issues. This plant prefers well-draining, loose soil rich in organic matter. Regular fertilization during the growing season promotes continuous blooming. While African violets are often showcased individually due to their compact nature, they can be paired with other small, shade-loving plants to create an aesthetically pleasing arrangement. Consider combining them with ferns, ivy, or other foliage plants for a delightful indoor garden display. Beyond their ornamental value, African violets are cherished for their ability to bloom almost continuously under the right conditions. They make charming additions to windowsills, tabletops, or as a part of a larger indoor garden. African violet enthusiasts often showcase their collections in specialized containers, adding a touch of elegance to their homes. While not typically consumed, African violets contribute to the overall well-being of indoor spaces by improving air quality. The act of nurturing and caring for these plants can also have positive effects on mental health, fostering a sense of accomplishment and tranquility. In conclusion, African violets bring joy and beauty into homes, creating a connection between nature and indoor spaces. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.